Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a working email, student ID, and any enrollment code. Once done, open the institution portal or the LMS URL and sign in with your credentials. Make sure to locate the specific course code, term, and section before proceeding, because preparation reduces errors. If you don't have an account, create one now. Follow verification steps. This first action gets you into the system quickly and prevents delays when you reach the registration page. You now search the LMS for the course using the course code or title and filter by term and availability. Once you see options, pick the correct section and delivery mode, online versus hybrid, and select the grading option required by your program. Make sure to check prerequisites and any related fees, because those can block enrollment. After confirming schedule compatibility, add the course to your cart or enrollment list and proceed to the registration step to finalize selection. You finish by confirming billing info, accepting institutional policies, and submitting the enrollment request, then wait for the confirmation screen. Once submitted, verify enrollment status in your dashboard, sync the course to your calendar, and download the receipt or confirmation email. If issues occur, clear your browser cache, try an alternative browser, or use incognito mode. If problems persist, contact your registrar or IT support with screenshots and the course code.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.